I am very happy to see again. We are discussing the topic evolution. So many things we had discussed up to this. Once again, recall what are the content discussed up to this. First, we had discussed about the origin of life, how life molecules originated, then discussing what are the evidences for the evolution, supporting to the evolution. So up to this we got discussed. Today class, let us see the biological theories of evolutions. So this is very important. Various theories supporting the evolutions. There are three people in the photograph. They are very important because they were submitted various theories describing the biological processing of evolutions. Today, we see only one theory, that is Lamarckism or theory of Lamarck. Actually, Jean Baptiste de Lamarck published a book, Philosophy Zoologique. In this book, he wrote two important principles. They are, one is the theory of use and disuse. Another one is the theory of inheritance of acquired characters. In theory of use and disuse, describe one organism can utilize the particular organ, it will increase in size. Suppose there is no usage of such kind of organism, such kind of organs, it will decrease in size, sometimes it will degenerate. So the best example for this concept, giraffe. So you know the giraffe. The giraffe has long neck and long leg. For the first time, the giraffe looks like a goat like, small in size. Normally the food available only in the substratum, they access easily. After many generations, the population going to be increased. Due to this, scarcity of food occurred, so that they occur the food from the top of the tree branches. The organisms dry and try use the leg and neck. Finally, it gets long leg and long neck. So it continuously use the neck and leg. It will be more increase in size, so that easily getting the food from the top of the tree branches. So this is one best example for theory of use and disuse. One more example we can provide. You see the thigh muscles of sports person, especially fast runner. The thigh muscles, bicep muscles are well developed because the sports person utilize the muscles continuously. So that is well developed. So this is another example for the theory of use and disuse. So another theory, the theory of inheritance of acquired characters. In giraffe, the long leg and long neck are acquired character that will be transmitted one generation to another generation. Okay, understand? So the whenever one organism getting the character, that character is transformed from one generation to another generation. Okay. So next, what are the objections to the Lamarckisms? Some people like August Weismann object the Lamarck's theory because the somatoplasm not inherited, only the germ plasm alone inherited. What is somatoplasm? Somatoplasm is nothing but the body cells. Germ plasm is nothing but gametic cells. Actually, he tested with one experiment. He took mice, one generation mice, and cut their tails, breeding them. After 20 generations, the new generations will have tails. According to the Lamarckisms, what happened there? There is no tail formations because the parents, the ancestor, they are not having tail. Okay. But August Weismann concluded from his experiment there is a changes in the somatoplasm that will not inherit in germ plasms. So this is the main objection to the Lamarckisms. This is very important question. Write down the germ plasm theory, right? Study well. So next we see those who are accept the Lamarckian concepts, these peoples are call it as neo-Lamarckians. Say for example, Cope, Osborne, Packard, and Spencer explain the Lamarck's theory in the scientific species. They said, suppose one organisms are having one new species influence of the environment. Due to this character, some secretions are formed in their body that will be travel through the blood and reach the gametic cells. From the gametic cells that will be transformed to the other organisms. So that is the supportive evidences for the Lamarckisms. So these peoples are called it as neo-Lamarckisms. Okay. So we see the Darwinian theory in next class. Thank you.